Namaste, namaste. Welcome to teresagenyo.com, the yoga studio where I share my heart to all of you who are willing to expand, to grow, and I like the word ascension. Hi, I'm Teresa Genyo, your yoga guide. Have you been feeling lately out of sorts, confused, not knowing? That's been very common throughout the magical thread of our humans race, the transition, the transformation. A lot of you are looking so deeply within yourselves to figure out what it is that you need to choose to augment, in a sense, not because you're broken and you need to be fixed. That's not the case here. What we're all going through is a really deep transformation from the caterpillar. We're in that cocoon, the chrysalis, if I do say that correctly. That one's always a tongue twister. In this dissolving of what we once were, the caterpillar, into hopefully the butterfly, it's going to take a complete dissolve. Yes, all this energy as the caterpillar is dissolving. What part of you do you know is still kind of in chunks sitting there that you're just not willing to let go just yet because you're so used to it, even though it doesn't bring you any sort of real, I'm talking real, I should be, no shoulding, real, be real. My t-shirts that say be real, be real. What is being real? Being real with yourself, being honest, being truthful, being sovereign. Are you giving yourself away because you think you should be the way that your spouse thinks you should be, the way that society thinks you should be, the way your community thinks you should be, your children think you should be? What if you just let all that go and then really get to the very source of your karmic being, you, your sovereign self? And what is it that you're really wanting to share as a service into the world? We're all here for service. I know a lot of people are like, I'm no service. Yes, you are. Every human being has this, like we're literally contributing to the greater whole. We have free will. Free will is definitely a divine gift. How we choose to use our free will could be for the greater good, could be for, doing harm. Ahimsa, non-violence is what I say to most of the students. Do not hurt yourself. But yet we still do that. So today's message, the yoga message, it's not just moving your body mindfully, which is really important so that your soul, dancing is awesome. Moving and grooving is so incredibly important to keep this healthy so that you can do what it is that you wish to be in this world. So think about this. If you're not being your sovereign self, meaning your authentic, truthful, real being, then that's okay. You're just really having to go through all these lessons, as I've learned so many. I woke up this morning going, why am I literally giving myself away? For what reasons? Oh, I think I should do this. Well, oh my goodness, reel it in, sister. What do I feel is going to build me up so that I overflow with that feeling, that sense of abundance? You don't give yourself away, you support the greater good by being in your sovereign self, meaning your true self. So today, if I can offer the guidance, is to take a really good look and notice if you're not loving life, having fun, loving what you do and doing what you love, and if you're hooked on to something that's keeping you from living your dreams to fruition, and you're in that sticky, icky place, then remember, just be quiet. Give yourself permission. Give yourself permission to see your truths. That's not easy. And the big word that I'm going to say today is discipline. We could all use some discipline. Every person needs to choose to, with their free will, to discipline themselves. Discipline yourself to eat healthy, to visually watch things, listen to things that are for the greater good, healthier. My son was watching a very, I don't understand how adults make such, I'm not going to say the word, really not healthy things, and the stupidity, the ignorance that comes out of the human race as an adult onto a screen. I'm like going, are we that ignorant? Yes, we are. So let's wake up to being more disciplined in awakening and being responsive to who we are meant to be responsible, be respectful, be, disciplined. These are huge. Yeah, it's work. It's work. Yet the payoff, because there is a payoff, is ananda. It's called bliss. When you work hard for something that you know is absolutely for the greater good, and you work so hard to do it, it works out beautifully in the end, even more so than you thought, because you built it with love, respect, responsibility, discipline. These are the great foundations of a great life. So let's tear down this tower that we're tearing down that is not at all disciplined with any sort of truth, because we know who trusts the government. Nobody. Nobody. Who trusts the medical world? Who trusts the education? Not the teachers. So these things are really important. I'm not a politician, or am I saying that, okay, please, I'm discerning. Being disciplined is taking care of your responsibilities, your responses. So that's my yoga message for today. Dance, put on some great music, shake off some of that stuff, unstick yourself, see what you're truly stepping into, create that foundation of respect, response, discipline, love, all that self-love, ahimsa, aparigraha, ashteya, brahmacharya, all of this stuff is so important. Begins right now. Right now. Build yourself up. Namaste, everybody. I hope you have a day of discipline and love. See you at teresagagno.com, yoga online for all recoveries.